Hi, TRS 099 students. My name is Professor Jacob Bodway. I will be your instructor for the fall 2026 semester. This video is designed to show you how this course is organized. Like English 101, we'll be working on a weekly schedule, except in this course, you'll be working on a Tuesday-Thursday schedule. Now, the point of TRS 099 is to reinforce some of the skills that you're learning and working on in English 101. So if you're working on an assignment in English 101, for example, a summary essay, I'll give you opportunities in this course to work on a rough draft where I will give you feedback. You'll also be working on what we call learning activities. These learning activities will be the bulk of your grade this term in TRS 099. In these learning activities, you'll be just discussing your experiences as a reader and as a writer. You'll be thinking about your experiences writing an essay in English 101. You'll be thinking about outlining your final your draft for a final paper in English 101. Okay, those are just a couple examples. So when you log in, again, just like in English 101, I'll have an announcement posted every Monday. There'll be a video announcement. And just above that video announcement, you will see a link to my office hours on Zoom. My office hours on Zoom will be on Wednesdays from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. You'll notice right here is the syllabus. I strongly encourage you to read over the syllabus so you understand how you'll be graded throughout this semester. Okay, there's all of the information. You'll notice most of the time you'll be spending in course content up here in the left-hand corner. But before you begin, you want to go to the welcome start here, participate in the preview week, introducing yourself. Here's a video lecture for welcoming you to TRS 099. And in this video lecture, I go into more detail exactly what TRS 099 is about. If you have any questions about, need extra help, you can use the TAC services on Brightspace. This is an extra tutoring assistance that will give you help in any assignment, okay? You also want to check out the course information, course overview, how the course will be organized, required software, the due dates. Just like in English 101, I provide you with due dates for the entire semester so you know exactly when things are due. Now, you might want to download this and save it to your desktop. Again, you'll notice we're working on a Tuesday-Thursday schedule, okay? So go over all of this stuff. And I have the same artificial intelligence policies I have in English 101. You can use it in the first stages of your writing process, but I do not want to see AI slop for your final draft. Okay, I'm not grading a computer to do thinking for you. I'm grading you. And I don't care how your writing looks. As long as it's your voice, you will do just fine in my course, okay? Most of the time, you'll be in course content. Okay, week one, you notice that is separated into weeks and a Tuesday-Thursday schedule. I'll simply click on Tuesday the 15th. You have the summary essays instructions. Here's one of your learning activities. Learning activity video lecture where I cover what the learning activity is about. And then the Dropbox. You simply click the Dropbox, save your learning activity to a folder on your computer or to your desktop. You click upload, and I'll just click the English 131 schedule here. Open. I'll do this instead. Open. Okay, and there it is. And all you have to do then is submit. Okay, pretty straightforward. Again, if you have any questions, please use the Brightspace email icon up here. That helps me keep things organized. Or if you want to visit me during my first week office hours on Wednesday, I'm happy to discuss things with you. I hope you have a great semester. And I wanted to stress, please work through this semester 1 week at a time. Don't work ahead. I promise you, you'll do just fine as long as you submit the work. You'll do just fine in English 101 and in TRS 099. Have a great semester. I look forward to working with all of you. Take care.